Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use a Lenovo Stylus Pen. First, let's start with charging or powering the stylus. The method depends on the model you have. If your Lenovo Stylus uses USB-C charging, look for the small USB-C port on the pen. Connect a Type-C cable to this port and plug the other end into a power source. When the pen is charging, the LED light will turn white to show it has power. If your stylus is a magnetic model, charging is even easier. Place the pen on the magnetic strip of your tablet. If your stylus works with replaceable batteries, open the pen according to the design and insert a fresh AAA battery. Make sure the battery follows the polarity markings inside the pen. Now let's pair the stylus using Bluetooth. Open the settings on your laptop or tablet. Go to Devices. Then select Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on if it is not already active. Next, press and hold the top button on the stylus for about 7 to 8 seconds. The white LED light will begin flashing. This means the pen is in pairing mode. On your screen, you will see the pen appear in the list of available devices. Select it to complete the connection. Now let's look at the basic controls. To write or draw, simply touch the pen tip to the screen. The stylus supports pressure sensitivity, so pressing harder can create thicker lines. To perform a right click, hover the pen tip close to the screen and press the lower barrel button. Many apps allow the upper barrel button to work as an eraser shortcut. For quick notes, hold the barrel button and tap the screen to open a note app. Thanks for watching.